Hey there. On this episode of Encap TV, I want to talk about open for business. We're seeing businesses reopening, and that's a good thing. That's an indicator that we've all been looking forward to, especially those of us who are involved with commercial carpet cleaning and the commercial side of the industry. Seeing businesses open back up again is great news. So 2020 sure got off to a strange start. For us at Excellent Supply, first couple months were great. Then we got into March and April and we saw that begin to restrict. We saw a continued flow of business, but nothing like what we're used to because largely businesses were closed. But now as they open back up, an opportunity is there for commercial carpet cleaning particularly to get these businesses back in a condition that people can enter the business and work in those businesses again. Now, what we've found so far is there have been a few cleaners who all the way through have been really successful. Here's what they've been doing. For the last couple of maybe 3 or 4 weeks, I've heard from some really sharp carpet cleaners who are buying large volumes of product from us. So I asked them, what are you doing? And what they've been doing is they've been going out and approaching businesses, existing customers as well as new customers, and talking to them about getting their buildings clean so that they can open back up again. Large universities and large commercial enterprises, they're going after them. So something to think about. You might want to now particularly go and solicit your company's cleaning to various commercial buildings. After the coronavirus, they will need to get back in there and use those buildings, and you can get in there and clean. Another thing that we've seen really on the high side for sales here at Excellent Supply is Encap Hydrox. So why Encap Hydrox? Encap Hydrox is a very powerful hydrogen peroxide carpet cleaning detergent, as you probably are aware. And the great thing about it is that it can help us convey to our customers the idea of getting the carpet cleaner for health. And cleaning for health right now is certainly a button that you want to be pushing. So how do you clean with Encap Hydrox and lower the microbial content? Keep in mind, we've said it before in some previous videos, you cannot truly disinfect totally any carpet. Disinfection can be done on a hard, non-porous surface, but when it comes to carpet fiber, to say that we're going to 100% get rid of everything, disinfecting the carpet totally, not going to happen. But we can lower the microbial content. And that's what you want to help your customer to appreciate, that you're going to improve the overall health of the building. And using a hydrogen peroxide detergent, well, certainly you can see the value of that, and your customer can as well when you convey that to them. The thing about Encap Hydrox is that it's a very, very potent hydrogen peroxide product. We did the numbers on this and we very carefully analyzed, and the CDC recognizes that at 0.5% that begins to knock out pretty much anything. Really is effective when we get to that point. How do we do it? Well, we've got a very active hydrogen peroxide that we're working with in Encap Hydrox. So once we reach that range up in the, and that's very much on the high end. We don't normally recommend going quite that high with your dilution on Encap Hydrox, but bringing it into that range, and then with the dwell time of it being in the carpet, you're going a long way to improving the health of the building. And really, that's the thing to sell right now, improving the health of the building. People need to get their businesses open and make it a healthy place for people, for them to work in and to invite the public, and certainly helping them to see the value of what you can do right now by just cleaning in general, and then using a product perhaps like Encap Hydrox will really open some doors for you. And that's what we're finding right now. There are some carpet cleaners that are really being successful even in the existing environment. Over the last few weeks they've been staying busy because that's the angle that they've been going. And so I wanted to share that with you. Hopefully that'll give you some ideas to go out there and really push those businesses, especially as they're now opening back up again, and hopefully that will help you to get over the flow and see some growth in your business. We're seeing that with some of our more energetic carpet cleaners presently at Excellent Supply, and so I wanted to convey that to you as well. Get out there and hustle, talk to the businesses, and present to them the thought that you're going to improve the health of their building. Cleaning for health is certainly the angle to be pushing right now. So as always here at Excellent Supply, we're here to help you max your Encap. If there's anything we can do to help you, we're open for business too, and we certainly want to help you to be as successful as you can be. So get out there, talk to these people, get in front of them, sell your carpet cleaning right now, and please stay safe. Thanks for watching this episode of Encap TV.